friends, how are you doing today? I hope you must be doing great. And this is Farvesh Chaudhary. Again, warmly welcome to all of you on my channel, Global Studies Aspirants. Fine. And as you can see on your computer screen, friends, today we're gonna talk about World 7 Tall Mountains. Fine. And it's part of World Geography. Fine. So don't make any kind of delay. Let's get into the topic. Let's go forward. And here on your computer screen, friends, the very first slide over here. And first of all, we're going to talk about Mount Everest. Generally, this is an Asia mountain. Fine. And let's talk about some features, basic features of this mountain. The very first from here, that generally it is located on Nepal and China border, and it has the double 848-meter tall. Fine. I hope you must be getting. And if you talk about is this mountain age, then you will find that generally it is 60 million years old. Fine. And Mount Everest grows approximately 44 millimeters every year. Fine. And let's move forward here. One more important point I will let you know, friends, that Cambague Sherpa over here, Cambague Sherpa holds the record for the most successful summits at the age of 24. Fine. I hope you must be getting. Let's go forward. Here, this is the second mountain, and let's talk about the mountain Cambague. Fine. Generally, it is located in the Australia, and it has an elevation of 7310 feet. Fine. And it has a height of 7310 feet. It is the snowy mountain in nature and belongs to Australian Alps. Fine. And if you talk about the range, generally it belongs to Great Dividing Range. Fine. And friends, this is located in New South Wales, west of Cambague and close to Jindabyne. Right. Let's move forward. And now let's talk about the third one. This is the Mount Kilimanjaro. Fine. And as you all know, that you must be heard about it. This is generally found in Africa. Fine. It's located in Africa, and the particular location in Tanzania country, it's located and to the Eastern Rift Mountains. Fine. If you talk about the meters height of this mountain, then it would be it has a height of 5895 meters. Fine. And it's almost 4 million years old rock. Fine. And the last point of this slide, that Kilimanjaro is a volcano or composite volcano, because it means it has many layers like ash, lava and rock. Fine. So it's generally called a volcano mountain. Fine. I hope you must be getting. Let's move forward. And here, friends, now talk about the Mount Elbrus. Fine. This is the highest peak in Russia and Europe. Combinedly, it's located on Russia and Europe. Fine. And it's situated in western part of the Caucasus mountain. Fine. And if let's talk about some more features, friends, over here, that it belongs to the Eurasia. Fine. And has a height of 5642 meters. It has an elevation of 5642 meters. And you know, friends, this is known as stratovolcano. Means generally it built of many layers like lava and tephra. Actually, this is the means tephra term you will find here. The tephra generally means when it erupts, then it makes a particular form, a very tough form, generally called as tephra. Fine. So I hope you must be getting this. Move forward. And here, now let's talk about Mount Denali. Fine. And this is the Mount Denali, that highest mountain peak in North America. Fine. And it has an elevation of 6190 meters. Fine. Belongs to the Alaska range. If you talk about the range, then we'll find it belongs to Alaska range. And this is the third most isolated peak after the Mount Everest and Mount Aconcagua. Fine. It means that it is located in the very far remote area, that's out of like residentials, colonial cities, out of cities, fine. And parent peak is Aconcagua. Yeah, that means it emerged. Generally, it belongs to the Aconcagua. The parent peak is Aconcagua. Let's move forward. And here, now the next one slide, the Mount Aconcagua, fine, and it belongs to the Andes mountain range. If we talk about mountain range, we'll find that it belongs to Andes mountain range, located in the Mendoza province in Argentina, in South America, fine, and it has an elevation of 6961 meters. And if we talk about then was this it is just located from Chile border, just 15 kilometer away from Chile international border it is located. I hope you must be getting fine. And if you talk about the proper location as per the continents, then you will you must have known that it lies in South America, fine. Just go forward. And here the next one, let's talk about Mount Vinson Massif, and it is found in Antarctica mountain, fine, it's called in Antarctica mountain. It has an elevation of 4892 meters, friends. And then if you talk about some mountain range, generally it belongs to Sentinel range of Ellsworth mountains, and located about 1200 kilometers from the south pole. This is very important. This is just 1200 kilometers away from the south pole, fine. And it was discovered in the January 1958 by US Navy aircraft, fine. And further, it was named in the name of Carl G. Vinson, the United States congressman from the state of Georgia, fine. I hope you must be getting. And friends, that's all for today. It was the short lecture regarding the top 7 tall mountains globally, and hope you must be enjoyed this little section, little lecture. And again, I sincerely appeal to all of you that please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so you'll be getting all the essential notifications instantly on your phone, fine. Thank you for tuning. Thanks for watching this video. And if you will found this video really helpful, then please be sure to share with your friends and ask for subscribe, right? Then that's all for now. Meet again in the next video. Till then, thank you so much.